We are kind of in a motivational deficit in our educational system. They're not motivated by just receiving a bunch of information. The ocean being the space next door where it's so unexplored, and bringing kids into that unknown is not just fun and exciting, but it's academically motivating. So the pioneering phase is, let's get these ROVs in the hands of students and let's see what happens.
Environmental science and environmental studies really appeals to me because it is the intersection between humans and society and the natural world, and how we impact nature and how nature impacts us.
I wanted to give the students an opportunity to tap into interesting things to learn and experience.
As a teacher, I would love to see students find something intrinsically inside themselves that motivates them to be curious and to learn and to grow.
I mean, the direction of our future, right? It's either artificial intelligence, technology, and so I want to make sure that we prepare our students for that world.
The Blue ROV has just been amazing in helping create a model of what happens out in the real world. I think a lot of teachers are afraid to try something like this because they don't know how to operate it, but that's how it came and that's what we're doing, and the students are learning a lot through it.
It was a challenge at first. We, of course, like any new project, right? We had some missteps, but also that's what STEM is about, isn't it? Exploring and looking at the unknown and trying new things.
I'm learning alongside my students, and it's been a really cool thing.
That's what excited me first and foremost, where teachers and students can be learning together, and so that teachers can model how they learn and how they ask questions.
There are so many different skills that we can delve into, and the ROV is a complement to that.
I think the most haha moment for me, here they were building something, they were actually going to take it into the wild, you know, take it out into the ocean and actually try it. So I think that dynamic even made it more exciting for our students.
The value of having students go into the field and using tools that are actually used in that industry cannot be overstated.
Many of our students, first time we've ever been on a boat, let alone, you know, go on a trip to the Channel Islands. They had never seen dolphins out in the wild before. We saw humpback whales, the experiences of being in the water, the wind in your face, a lot of exciting moments.
When you're on a boat, you can only imagine what's underneath you. I feel like it really gives students an anchor because they get an opportunity to learn about really interesting things that are really on a frontier. It's far beyond reading something in a textbook. So I feel like it's very transformative for students to see that they can learn about things that are going to enhance their future.
You're helping students see behind a curtain, and for a lot of students, seeing below the surface of the ocean is a curtain, and now the education becomes real.
The famous educator, John Dewey, said that education wasn't just a preparation for life, it's life itself. And I think true education, true learning, right? Where kids are taking something that's experiencing in the classroom, and now they're using it in real life. Along with that, problem-solving skills, working together. It's an encompassing lesson, right? STEM and beyond.